Weave it to the bull like, weave it to the bull like. Hold up, wait, hold up. Weave it to the bull like weird.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the day that I have been waiting for. Rain on Me by Lady Gaga and Ariana Grande. The collaboration between two lead artists. My pop queen and my pop princess came together to do a collaboration officially released a couple hours ago. Now it's just midday, but we have 3.5 hours for the music video. But I decided to listen the song, then I can watch the music video when it comes out, so I can put together the two video and release in that way because I can't wait to listen the song. Chromatica is coming next week. In 7 days we will be able to listen Chromatica, and before I start listening the song, here is the official Chromatica playlist. Welcome to Chromatica by Spotify. Song chose by Lady Gaga, and there is a video. I don't know, can I play it on the computer? You didn't hear what's going on, but it doesn't matter. She looks beautiful. She's explaining the purpose of the playlist. You can find the links, I guess, on Spotify's Instagram bio. You can find the link there. Welcome to Chromatica playlist. So, Rain on Me is already #1 iTunes United States, United Kingdom. It will be officially #1 on iTunes worldwide. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. Yeah, there will be, just for you to remember it, there will be no voice during me listening the song because of the copyright issues, but I will hear the song here. And thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and click the ring to get the notification every time I upload a effing video. Yep. Bitch, I'm crying. What the fuck? Rain on me though. Ah, okay, just let me put it back. Bitch! Bitch! Hmm. 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 Child. Child. This is a sledge. Okay? This is how you slay the motherfucking song. Okay? Bitch. I don't know how to explain my feelings, but this is literally one of my favorite things ever. Ever. They just killing it. They just killing it. Okay? And now I'm going to close the video. When the music video comes up, I'm going to record another video and mix the two videos together. So see you in a couple hours. Guys, I'm back. Now we are going to watch the Rain on Me music video. I am so excited. It's time. I'm ready. Bitch, I've been listening the song non-stop, and that's what you should need to do. Stream on Spotify, Apple Music, Tidal, Deezer, Google Play Music, purchase on iTunes, Amazon, Google Store, whatever you use. Stream the song. I'm excited. Okay? Here is the music video. Okay, you see the knife on the leg? Bitch, period. You know the reason. I'm not gonna explain it. Bitch! What the f- Come on, Korea! Ooh! Are you? Come on, Korea! Come on, butterfly! Bitch! Bitch! Rain on me, me. What the f- is this? Oh my god. Is this an edit? Because it looks like Ariana and Gaga mixed as a one person. Bitch? Oh my god, they look so similar. What the f? I thought it's a mix. Guys, seriously. Me. She looks like Ariana. Just the ponytail, the brown, the nose, even the nose. Even the original Gaga, OG Gaga nose. She looks like an Ariana. What the f? Oh! Oh! Come on, hair. Inches. Yes, bitch. Come on, period. Oh, they look so good. OMG. Stupid Love was a fun video because of the choreography. And I thought because of the colors it looked so good. But this music video, bitch, bitch, look like it. Everything besides, like everything on the side, I don't care about anything else. But this scene, the scene that you are seeing right now, is priceless. Especially think about me. My favorite artists, my two favorite top two pop stars. I consider Ariana as a princess of pop like for years. And I consider Gaga as queen of pop for decades. So imagine me, imagine being me, imagine being happy as much as me. Guys, I don't know how to explain my feelings, but I love the music video so much. I live for the music video so much. And I have nothing not any little mother effing thing so negative to say about the video. I'm so happy. It's an amazing music video. And the little clue that I got from the music video, it looks like throughout the era, all the music videos will be dance videos, because Hello album is a dance album, so we need to see Gaga dancing again. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like this video, give the thumbs up. Don't forget to click the ring to get the notification every time I upload a video. And don't forget to follow me, subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to pre-order Chromatica out next week. Less than 7 days, okay? Get ready. According to the rumors, something is coming also in 3 days. So on Monday, if I'm not mistaken, on Monday something is going to happen too, but I don't know what. About Chromatica, something is happening, maybe a new song, maybe a performance, I don't know, but I want them to perform together ASAP. Again, thank you for watching my video and see you in the next one. Bye guys, and don't forget to stream the song. See ya!